Why you should learn AI, ML and data analytics, the combo that changes everything. Ever wondered how Netflix suggests your favorite shows? Or how can Google finish your sentences? It's all thanks to artificial intelligence, machine learning and data analytics, the super team of the tech world. Today, companies collect huge amounts of data, but they need smart people to understand and use it. By 2026, the AI industry will be worth over 300 billion. But there's a big problem. Not enough trained people. That's where you come in. If you learn AI, ML and data skills, you can land high-paying, future-proof jobs. At Win in Life Academy, we have created a simple and powerful combo course that teaches you data analytics, how to find useful insights from numbers, machine learning, how to teach computers to learn on their own, artificial intelligence, how to build smart systems that think and act. You will get real projects, help from experts and easy lessons, even you are just starting out. After this course, you can work as data analyst, AI engineer, machine learning developer, business analyst. And guess what? You don't need to be a coding expert. We teach you from the scratch. This is your chance to build a future in tech. Join the AI, ML and Data Analytics combo course at Win in Life Academy. Click the link in the description and start learning today. Let's win in life together.